And looking younger is going on sale. Well, you can now get some great deals on smoothing out your wrinkles. All right, get ready for a big sale on looking younger. Coming up next, why prices to remove those wrinkles are falling and how you can cash in on the deals. Looking younger is about to go on sale. In fact, there's a new product that works like Botox, and it's about to hit the market. It's going to be the third product of its kind to smooth out our wrinkles. And as Action News anchor Michelle Wright tells us, the new choice will mean some pretty big savings.
This new product is called Xeomin, and it works the same way. It freezes the muscles to get rid of expression lines. But here's the big news with this. While all these products are wiping away your wrinkles, now they're not wiping away as much of your wallet. More and more women are getting that shot. You know the one, saying goodbye to wrinkles that make them look old or tired or just mad.
All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just mark you up a little bit.
Mary Kirk looks great at 42, but she recently started to notice those inevitable lines forming around her eyes.
I was more interested in here because I just really started to see these lines developing over the last several years, and I thought, geez, what can I do about that? And what lotions and potions could I use? And really didn't find anything that worked.
They don't want their face not to match the way that they feel on the inside. People are taking care of their bodies better, and with your face, you just need a little bit of extra help.
Bridget Kelly is a physician assistant for the Skin Center. She explains these products work by blocking nerve impulses to temporarily relax the muscle that causes wrinkles. It makes you look smoother and younger. That's nothing new. What is new is that a third botulinum product is hitting the market this fall, and the competition is watching. In addition to Botox and Dysport, now Xeomin will be thrown into the mix, and discounts and rebates will be thrown in too.
I think that's the most important thing with all these different products that are coming onto the market, is that it can only help the consumer. There's going to be a lot more price competition between the actual companies, and what we've seen already is more direct-to-consumer rebates.
The prices right now are pretty similar. The Skin Center has an introductory offer of $2.99 for Botox or Dysport, which will last you several months or more. It covers one area, normally those frown lines, which takes about 25 to 30 units. If a patient wants another area treated, the price would be determined at the consultation. But Xeomin will be offered $14 cheaper. So that means the other two companies are expected to offer deals.
The thing that we've noticed most already is that from having direct competitors, there's been a huge direct-to-consumer push as far as offering rebates.
So as patients like Mary try to erase the signature of time, the lesser the impact on their bank account just might tempt them into looking younger more often.
Yeah, the rebates are fantastic. That's definitely going to help me keep doing it, because it was one of those things like I didn't know I needed it or wanted it until I had it, and then I was like, wow, I really like that.
I should tell you there's a lawsuit going on right now to try and keep Xeomin off the market. It has to do with trade secrets. It is safe. It's already being used in about 20 countries. Should be available here for you this fall in the U.S. But in the meantime, the competition's getting ready by offering deep discounts now. Michelle Wright, Channel 4 Action News.
All right, we can tell you too, right now, Botox and Dysport are offering product rebates, and they are as follows. Dysport, a $50 mail-in rebate for treatment performed between May 1st and June 30th of this year. Allergen is offering a $100 instant rebate on a Botox cosmetic and Juvederm injectable wrinkle treatment when both treatments are performed during the same visit, and that is valid between May 1st and August 31st of this year. Whew.
Got it?
I could barely get that out.
And there's now a rewards program for using Botox. You can sign up for the Brilliant Distinctions program. Okay.